Brashebedwa mo my Ghana for some ready to monim sene when Brashebedwa ne kwhia na ensemo a waka no yenhwe bimra.
As well as provide critical social protection for the benefit of Ghanaians. Mr. Speaker, I thank you, the House and fellow Ghanaians for the attention. God bless our homeland Ghana. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Honorable members, let me remind you of the presence of the senior citizens with us in this house. We have our seniors, our parents, who mobilized under the group known as the Pensioner Bondholders Forum. They are led here by their convener, Dr. Edu Anane Antwi, and supported by Mr. Philip Boabeng and Mr. Ango Bediako. There are other members here present, and they came to listen to the minister and also your good selves on this very important matter. We are also happily I will in future be considering your request for ministers to come and brief the House with a different eye. Well, I'm not even sure that many of you heard what the minister said. Many of you were rather engaged in personal conversations. You were not listening to the minister. It's not that the minister was not loud, but you were not listening. And I'm going to watch those of you going to make the contributions, the comments. We had students from the Tamale Technical University, led by their tutors. They just left. They were the large group seated at my right side on the public gallery. And then we also have products of homeschool. I'm sure this is the first time some of you have heard homeschool. Education is not only the formal one, you go to school, you can also be educated at home. So we have some of the products here with us. This is such an important topic that they all want to be part of. I think the students from the Tamale Technical University are back. They will all be listening and watching you make your comments.